There's just so many different features with this next gen Circ Saw that has really allowed me to take my construction game to the next level.
The RYOBI HP circular saw, I've used it on some considerably large projects, thick cut timbers. Definitely has the same amount, if not more power than the corded circular saw.
We use a lot of volunteers and our tools go through a lot of different hands. The durability of the tools are absolutely fantastic.
The industry's speeding up and the Gen 2 circular saws really allowed me to capitalize on that. It's allowed me to really speed up the process of framing, of demo work, of rehabilitating homes.
With that dust port, we can hook up the RYOBI 3-gallon vacuum to it when we're cutting those floor joists, and it pulls that dust in and we're mitigating that dust that goes through the home.
The depth adjustment is very easy. You can pull the guard up, set your cut piece, drop the blade on it, and lock it really quick and easy.
Whether I'm getting ready to throw down decking boards or I'm in the middle of a floor, we can pop out that rafter hook, throw it on the joist, and then as soon as we turn around, that circular saw is right there for us to pick back up.
You're able to get a professional level tool for a much more affordable cost.
For us, it's all about the value. We run a trailer that has multiple RYOBI tools in it, and it takes the same battery for everything we do.
The brand has been speaking for itself. The quality and the power and the durability, it's up there with the highest caliber of tools.